Hi guys, today we are playing Split or Steal. This is going to ruin our friendship.
As there are gonna be many crazy things ahead in the game.
Cause one, if they steal and you split, they will get the money, and if we split, we both will get half.
Yeah, but there's gonna be a lot of betrayals cause I think some people might wanna steal. Okay,
Come.
now we are gonna start the game. Come. I have 150% luck.
Wait, have you played this game before?
No, I just bought it.
How?
With money.
How do you have 200 cash?
Well, I got it when I was doing this.
I only have 50 rupees.
Now come.
Okay.
Wait, let me.
How are you sitting? I'm not able to sit down.
You just have to go on the table. You have to just.
Press quick play.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
You want super roll?
Yeah, I have.
Do you want to split?
I know you're gonna steal.
I want steal. Forgot where.
Well, he's a really betrayal person.
You are too, bro.
Wait, if you steal and I steal, none of.
Yeah, so it won't be any fun.
So let's split.
Sure. I split it.
Sure.
Sure. I swear if you steal, bro. Bro!
You said that.
Even you wanted to steal the
You
money.
lied to me.
Even you lied to me.
You lied. Okay, this time we'll actually do split.
Okay.
And you dare lie. Oh my god. Please be a good roll. I don't want 500 or something.
I need 3 Robux.
Oh, we got 0. Oh no. Are you kidding me?
Bro.
Let's split it.
Yeah, वैसे भी it won't matter. You had money, I did have very less money.
No, now you have more money than me.
Me.
That is so bad. You're such a bad friend.
Am I right?
I'm gonna unfriend you now.
No.
Okay, please be something good. Fingers crossed.
Mm.
Oh, please be that.
Uh-huh.
Split, please.
Okay,
Please be split.
done.
I am doing split.
Same. You kidding me?
Can you stop doing steal? You keep on doing steal. I hate you.
Even you are.
Well, I only did twice and you did thrice.
Please stop.
Just split this.
Fine.
Promise.
Promise.
Mamalia Pratta.
Okay. You kidding me, bro? You want to stall it?
No, please stop stealing. And if I split and you steal, I'm actually gonna be really angry. Oh, we have 300 bonus luck.
Okay.
So we better not get 500 or something. Oh, please split.
Please.
Please. Split.
You show your. Bro, no, you steal.
No.
You stole. You
No,
stole.
no.
Yeah, you did. Yay!
Split, yay! Oh my god, we have so much money! We have so much money.
I have 300 luck. I have 300 luck.
I also have 300 luck. That means we're gonna have 600.
Quick play.
Okay, see what happens when we both
Split.
We got so much money. I mean, we could have gotten more if we stole, but Evan, don't you dare. If we get a big amount, we're gonna split. Like, this is a big amount.
So
And if it's a small amount, we're gonna steal.
Yeah!
Yay!
Play again.
We have 2,200.
We can do a quick farm like this. We can keep on
If we
farming
get
money.
big, we have to split. But if we get small, we can steal.
Ah!
Oh, that's big. That's big.
Yeah, we can split.
Wait, why can't I confirm? Yay!
We can keep on farming money like this.
Yeah. Now I have 3,000.
Wow. Same. We have the same amount of money.
Yeah. Okay, it's a big amount. Big amount. Oh, that was a big amount. Why does it keep on?
Please stop.
Oh,
Aha.
oh, that's a big amount.
Split.
Yeah, let's.
I swear if you do not split, bro.
Oh no!
You're so dead now.
I'm sorry.
Now you have to split.
Okay. If it's a big amount, split.
You did not.
Well, that was a small amount. It was like something like 250. I would have. You're gonna steal and split. Oh. What the hell is the amount of getting 250?
Bro, you stole that 4,000.
Acha, I think we can also donate or something.
You stole, I know.
I didn't.
You're going to wait.
Oh wait, I can buy this. What is this? I want a premium chair. What?
Oh, get for Robux.
It's for Robux, so why is it's making me go there?
Bro, super roll it for 3 Robux and I have 2.
I have super roll.
How did you got that super roll?
Should I tell you?
Yeah.
No. Oh, split. Please.
Split.
I beg you. I beg you.
I beg you. Swear.
That was a bigger amount than.
That sounds like a you problem. That's what you did to me. That's what you did to me. That's what you get. You're sad.
What the hell? Why is everything good? Why?
Did you steal?
No. I'm not playing with you. That was a lot of money.
Fine, now I'll not steal. Now we have the same money, so we can back
We don't. You have more money. How much money do you have?
9.2k.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Okay, I don't even care if you get this. Yeah, I know you stole. Take it, I don't care. Okay.
You have more money than me. I can see.
No, we have equal. Look. 9325, 9325.
Oh, if it was that amount. Oh. Are you kidding me?
I don't even want this one. Guys, I am winning from her right now. Should I split or should I steal? Tell me.
Are you kidding me?
Bro. You both are so.
You are so greedy.
I know.
Okay, but in big amount, please don't steal. If it was that, please split.
Split.
You said split. I wanted to do even money, that's why I did steal. Are you kidding me?
I know you stole. Take that money.
So why did you steal?
Wait. Fine. We will split. God swear.
What way?
Yeah. Anything. Split.
No,
Whatever I get, I'll
no, it's
split.
something big, then split. Please. Oh!
If you split, I'm blocking you.
What?
If you split, I'm blocked.
You said if you split, I'm blocking you.
No, I said if you stole, I
You
am.
said
blocking
if
you.
you split.
I said
So
if you
that's why I
split.
had to do steal.
Oh!
Yeah,
I said.
You said split.
Nah, I'm
God
blocking
swear.
you.
See in your recording.
Do.
Guys, he said split, right?
I did not.
Okay, this is turning dark real quick.
Bro, can we please split whatever we get? Oops, I'm sorry for about that. Wait. Guys, she is off. Her brain went off.
Oh, the chair shop resets. Okay, it better be something good. I'm not here for 250 or something. Oh, please, please,
Please
split.
split. No, you ain't. You can't see them. Deal split. Don't steal. 3, 2, 1. Done. Split.
I knew it! I knew it!
I
That's
also
why
knew
I
it.
didn't do split.
I saw your hand being like quick. Wait, how much money do you have?
1,000.
I have 11,000.
Can I please get the 10,000? So we can split.
Please.
I do not apply Rocky Road.
Same.
Oh! Please, split. Please.
Okay,
Show me
sure.
your screen.
3. No, first you also. Confirm.
No! Everyone!
Guys, I again scammed her. I think so. That's it for today. Bye. If you want to see more videos, like,
Yeah, if you want to see it again.
subscribe.